Si Beauty magsasayaw din? Okay, tingnan natin. Kay, kukulit ha?
Asan na yung leader nyo? Dito yung leader sa gitna. Ayun na yung leader. Aba, ready talaga si leader.
Dali, dito ka, dito. Dito si Kai, dito si Kai. Yan si Kai. Kaya ba?
Ayan.
Stand up.
Ay, si RB pala. Sorry, yan ka pala si RB. Galingan mo, baby, ha? Okay po?
Hello. Ayan. So, good morning po. So, ang favorite dish po namin for family day is pork steak. Ayan. So, Diana, what's this? What's this? Lemon. What's this? And this one? Tart. And this is? Pork. Okay. So, i-prepare na lang po namin. So, first na, Diana, I hold this.
Hold this.
Oh, you hold.
Careful.
Okay, pour it down slowly. That's it na. And put some onion on it. Okay, put it on top. No, you hold it there. Yes. You put more. Go, you put it up.
More.
Yes. Put it more on the top. Like this. And put some lemon. You like lemon? You put it there. Yes, put it there. Go, put it on top. Wow! Put it on. Ayan. So that's it. So ito na po yung na-prepare namin na pork steak. Ayan. So thank you po.